Hey guys, today we are cleaning our fence. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. The first 4 or 5 being the dirtiest because of the trees that are blocking it. But we're going to show you how we cleaned it. There's a total of 13 fences. And here we're pruning the trees. As you can see, we're cutting the part where it's covering the fence. And we did that for the first, second, and third tree, the trees that were blocking the fence. So here we started spraying the fence with water. As you can see, it's super dirty because nothing came off our first try. And we did that for the first 2 fences and it didn't really work. So here we started cleaning it with soap water. We had to apply a lot of force and it was really hard to get it off, but it got done. So we're using a pressure washer to clean these boards to clear off the soap and excess dirt. We applied the soap one more time and cleaned it again. And here's the little girl at work. Done.